Very good morning, one and all. Welcome to 4th standard maths class. Regarding the 4th standard first chapter, we already discussed about comparing the number. You already know that regarding the comparing the number can be compared by three symbols. One is equal to, another one is greater than and less than. In the previous class, we also discussed about ascending order and descending order. You already know that ascending order nothing but small number to big number. Arrange the number according to small number to big number is called ascending order. And same as it is descending order. The descending order nothing but arranging the number from big number to small number is called descending order. From this up to this we have discussed in the previous class. Today in this class we are going to discuss about exercise 1.3. Clear? Regarding the exercise 1.3, it is completely based on comparing the number, ascending order and descending order. Okay na? Now exercise 1.3 first main. This is the exercise 1.3. It is the first main. That is compare and write greater than or lesser than in the blanks box. Clear? First complete the answer in the textbook. Afterwards neatly copy to CWO. Okay na? First thing we have to compare between these two numbers. First problem. You already know that regarding the comparing the number, first we are count the digits. It is the first step. First count the number of digit. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. Second number also total 5 digit. Regarding the first step, we cannot identify that which is big number and which one is small number. Next afterwards we come to 10,000 place. 10,000 place. Clear? Regarding the 10,000 place it is 4. And here also 10,000 place it is 4. Same. Again we cannot identify which is big number and which one is small number. Now come to 1000 place. Again in the 1000 place it is 1. Here also 1000 place it is 1. Again we cannot find out which is big number and which one is small number. Now we come to 100 place. Here 100 place is 3. Here also 100 place is 3. Again we cannot find out which is small number and which one is big number. Now come to 10 place. Now 10 place it is 7 and 10 place it is 8. Clear? Regarding the first number, in the 10 place it contains 7. Here the 10 place it contains 8. That means 8 it is a big digit. Therefore it is a big number. Then it is a small number. Therefore this is a big number and this one is a small number. Now we have to write the symbol. I already tell one simple trick to write the greater than and lesser than. The arrow mark, see this arrow mark? This arrow mark it is towards the small number. Here the small number is first one. Arrow mark is like this. Clear? Arrow mark is like that. That means 41,378 is less than 41,380. Clear? Now this is the first fill in the blanks. Now come to second one. Again count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again here count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here by observing the first step, the number of digit is 5. Here number of digit is 6. Therefore it is a small number and again it is a big number. The point it is towards the small number. Second one answer. Okay na? Now come to third one. First count the number of digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, Regarding the first step, we cannot find out which is small number and which is big number. Now come to 10,000 place, it is 7. Again 10,000 place, it is 7. Again we cannot find out which is small number and which one is big number. Now come to 1000 place, it is 0. 1000 place, it is 1. That means one digit, it is greater than 0. Therefore, it is big number and this is small number. Small number kade point towards the small number like that. Third one answer is also same like first and second. Now come to fourth one. Again first step, count the number of digit. Here also 5 digit, here also 5 digit, same. We cannot find out which is big number and which one is a small number. Now come to 10,000 place, it is 8. Here 10,000 place, it is 6. That means by observing the 10,000 place, we come to conclude that this digit, this 8 is big digit compared to 6. Therefore, it is big number and this one will be the small number. Arrow mark towards the small number. This time answer is like this. Clear? How to read it out? 86,432 greater than 68,432. Understood? Like that we have to observe or we can easily compare between the two numbers. Now, E. Again, first count the number of digit. Here 4 digit, here 5 digit. Therefore, it is big number and this one is small number. Again, arrow mark, it is towards the small number. Clear? Now, regarding the exercise 1.3, first main, I will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. Next, F, G and also H, I, J, K, L. This is for HW. Understood? Neatly complete the CW. Afterwards, neatly complete the HW. Next, we are moving on. Exercise 1.3, second main. Next, come to exercise 1.3. Now it is second main. Write the following numbers in increasing order. Clear? Regarding the second main, you already know that increasing order nothing but ascending order. Increasing order means first small number, then afterwards big number, big number, big number and big number. Like that you have to arrange the number from small number to big number. That is called as increasing order or ascending order. Regarding the total 5 problem, I will show 2 problem. Remaining 4 problem, it is for HW. Okay na? It is for HW. In your CW, write the second main. That is, write the following numbers in increasing order. Take the first question. Now I will write answer for the first question. Now I will write the answer for the first question. Okay na? Regarding the increasing order, first we have to write the small number. Now observe the 4 number, the first problem. Observe the 4 number. Here all the 4 number, it contain 5 digits. Clear? All the 4 number, it contain 5 digits. By observing the digit, we cannot find out which is small number and which is big number. Then come to 10,000 place, it is 4. Here 1. That means comparing with first number and second number, first number is big number compared to second number because the 10,000 place it contains 4. Here 1, here 1, here 4. These two numbers are big number comparing with these two. Correct? ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು like that we have to compare which one is comes first. That means these two number it comes in the third place and fourth place like that. Okay na? Now in the 10,000 place 1, in the 10,000 place, again 1, we cannot find out which is small number. Again come to 1000 place, it is 4, again 1000 place, it is 4, for again we cannot find out which is small number. Now come to 100 place, it is 6 and this one is 9, that means this is small number and this one is big number, that means this is first number and it comes second number. Answer, first number will be 14,691 and second number will be 14,961. Clear? Now we are arranging the number small number to big number. The first number is 14,691 and second one 14,961. Now we come to third number. Okay, na group modake third number hi barta idini. Regarding the third number, 10,000 plus 4, again same. 1000 plus 0, again same. We cannot find out by observing the 10,000 plus and 1000 plus. Now come to 100 plus, it is 1. Here 100 plus, that is 9. That means this is small number, that one will be the big number. It comes in the third place, that last one it is comes in the fourth place, that is 40,196, then 40,961. Okay na? Now this is the exercise 1.3 second main answer. Space ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ CW ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now come to second one, B answer. Second one, B. Okay na? Here first count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Same. Regarding the second problem also, all the four number digit will be same. Now observe the 10,000 place 4. Okay, 10,000 place 3, 10,000 place 8, 10,000 place 5. This is very easy because in case of 10,000 place all the digits are different. Regarding small number will be 3, after that 4, after that 5, then last one will be the 8. Clear? By observing the 10,000 place, first small number will be 32,845 and second one will be 45,328 and third one will be 54,382 and last will be 82,345. Clear? By observing the 10,000 place, we can come to conclude that regarding the 10,000 place, all the digits are different. Therefore, 3 is small compared to all the digits. 3, then afterwards 4, then afterwards 5, then afterwards 8. We are arranging the according to increasing order. Like that, you have to try remaining 4 problem in the exercise 1.3 second main. Clear? Next we come to third main, exercise 1.3, that is third main. Again exercise 1.3 third main also I will show first and second problem. These 3 problem it is for HWO. Clear? Regarding the third main, write the following numbers in decreasing order. Regarding the decreasing order, nothing but ascending order and descending order. Clear? Decreasing order, nothing but descending order. Regarding the descending order, first big number, then last small number. This is the difference regarding the increasing, another one is decreasing order. Regarding the increasing order, first small number, last will be the big number. Regarding the decreasing order, first big number, last small number. Clear? Again, first one, A answer. First one. First we have to write the big number. Regarding the first problem also, it contains 5 digits. Same. Clear? 10,000 place and 1,000 place. 2 1, 2 1, 2 1 and 2 1. Same. By observing the 10,000 place, 1,000 place, we cannot find out which is small number and which is big number. Now come to 100 place. 5. First we have to write the big number because we are arranging in decreasing order. It is 5. It is 8. Okay na? This is 5. Okay na? This is 9. 9 is big. 9 afterwards 8. Here also 5. Here also 5. Iveradರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು big ಬರುತ್ತಾ that comes in the third place. ಯಾವುದು small ಬರುತ್ತಾ that is comes in the fourth place. Okay na? Now third main we are going to arrange in the decreasing order because here 100 place it is 5. 100 place it is 8. Okay na? 100 place again it is 5. 100 place it is 9. This is the big number. The first one will be 21,999 and second will be 8. That is 21,829. 21,829. Now compare these two, first and third number, which is big number. Here 100 place 5. 100 place 5. Okay na? Same. We cannot find out which is small number and which one is big number. Here 10 place is 2. Here 10 place is 4. Therefore this is big number. Therefore 21,544. Last will be 21,829. Clear? Now we are arranging the number according to decreasing order. First is big number and last will be the small number. I written wrong. This is 5 to 8. Okay, this is last. Second B answer. Second one B. Okay na? Again count the number of digits. 5. Second problem also the number of digit will be same. Here 10,000 place, 1,000 place 7 8. 7 8. 7 8. Here 8. That is a big number. First one 87,298. 87,298. Now 100 place 2. 100 place 9. This is big number. 100 place again 2. Therefore this is the second place, that is 78,928. Okay na? Now 100 place is 2. Here also 100 place is 2. Again we cannot find out which is big number. Now 10 place is 8. Here 10 place is 9. That is big number. 78,298. And last will be 78,289. Okay na? Again we have to try C, D and E problem. It is for HWO. Compulsory you have to complete the HWO, take neat photocopy and send it to group. Next we are moving on. Exercise 1.3 fourth main, that is ring the greatest number in each of the following number. Ring the greatest number. That means here they given total 3 number. Clear? Regarding the total 3 number, you have to identify the big number. Then you have to put one circle for the answer. Okay na? Ring the greatest number in each of the following set. I will show 2 problems. These 2 problems will be the HWO. Okay na? First one. Count the number of digits. 5, 5, 4. Okay, this is the small number. Put it. Because 4 is there. Comparing these 3 numbers, 7,358 will be the small number. But we have to identify the big number. In the 10,000 place, it is 2. 10,000 place, it is 3. Therefore, it is big number. Very simple. Okay na? It is big number. Second main. Fourth main. Second problem. That is count the number of digits. 5, 5, 5. We cannot identify counting the number of digit. Then come to 10,000 plus 3, 10,000 plus 6, 10,000 plus 9. Therefore 9 will be the big number. Okay na? Next, try the C and D problem. Now we are moving on fifth main. Again, ring the small number in each of the following set. Nothing means in the fourth main we are circle the greatest number. Regarding the fifth main we have to circle the small number. For regarding the fifth main also C and D problem for HWO. Count the number of digit 5. Number of digit 5. Number of digit 4. That means it will be the small number. Finish. It will be the small number. Next come to second one. Count the number of digit 5, 5, 5. We cannot find out which is small number and which one is big number. Come to 10,000 plus 2, 8, 1. 1 will be the small. Then you have to put the circle. Okay? Then you can put the circle. Again C and D problem, it is for HWO. This is exercise 1.3, first, second, third, fourth and fifth main. Neatly complete the CWO and also compulsory you have to finish the HWO. Thank you one and all.